vision.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hack Dream League 19 with the Barcelona team in. So first I am going to show you my normal DLS 19. It's opening. You can see that there is no more coins on my account, only 1000 coins.
I can't believe
And no more,
the night lay waste.
all are weak players. No good players are there in my account.
But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't
I had only
living.
normal jerseys and normal kits and logos in my this normal account. So guys, let's hack it. First open Z archiver,
Let it burn, let it burn.
then go to download folder
You've gotta know that nothing lasts.
and open your downloaded file. Then select all, select multi-select, then double tick it, then select all, then hold on any of the file. A pop-up menu will appears and select copy. Then go back to home and open Android. Now open data. Open com.first-games.dls3 folder. Now open files. Then paste it here.
I can't believe myself.
Tick apply to all
I never thought
and then click on
this
replace
would be
button.
hard, but it's nothing new.
Now our process is completed. Then close all the apps. Now let's check it's done. Now open Dream League 19. Yes guys, it's working.
So tell me now,
Barcelona team's code is there.
left to lose if we run.
Now my kit and logo is Barcelona's, like Barcelona's team. And there is unlimited coins. 16 lakhs coins is there in my account. All Barcelona players are there: Messi, Suarez, Coutinho, Rakitic, Ter Stegen. So guys, enjoy this game. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, comment it.